Today unboxing is the popular Porsche 911 Turbo 930 from Schuco. Unlike other regular casting, this is a limited edition of 999 pieces, and it comes in a very unique body color in pink. My only feedback is maybe for the limited edition, it can come in a much more premium packaging, such as having the casting inside the display case. Wow, it's stunning. It's very clean cut. It gives me a similar feel of the Tomica TLV, and that's great. I'm extremely impressed with the quality. The paint job on the body is perfect. It's very nicely done. The finishing on the wheel set could be better, but still it looks very realistic, and that's great. Upon closer inspection, I feel that the body paint can be more refined, but overall the finishing is decent and it looks realistic. I like the decent details on the front, especially the headlights. Very happy that all the wheel set for Schuco rolls perfectly well and very fast. This casting doesn't feature any suspension. For the rear, I'm very impressed with the details. It's very realistic, especially on the effort that is given to the tail light. I think it's great. In conclusion, this Porsche 930 is a very impressive casting. Sure, the details could be much more refined and much more finished. It's still a very clean cut casting, and given its unique body color, it will definitely stand out in your Porsche collection. More Schuco unboxing videos coming to this channel. This Tarmac Works Porsche RWB 930 is a random giveaway to my subscribers who actively comment, like and share my videos in this channel. I will select and announce the lucky subscriber this week, so be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!